In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple documents in tabs in Google Docs. This simple but effective tip can enhance your productivity, making it much easier to work with several documents at once. Let's jump right into it. First, we need to get to Google Docs. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type Google Docs and hit Enter. You should see Google Docs listed at the top of your search results. By clicking this link, you'll direct yourself to the Google Docs homepage. This is where all your documents are housed and organized. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll see several options, including starting a new document or accessing recent files. For our purposes, identify a document you want to open in a new tab. Hover over the document to see a small preview appear on the right side of each document link. Notably, this is where the magic happens. In the preview area, you'll notice 3 dots making up a vertical ellipsis. It's subtle, so take your time to locate it at the bottom right corner of the document preview. These 3 dots are a menu indicator, providing additional options for that document. Go ahead and click on them to reveal a small drop-down menu. This menu is essential for managing your document, offering various features, including the option to open in a new tab. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says, Open in New Tab. By selecting this, your document will automatically open in a new browser tab. This is incredibly useful for switching back and forth between documents without losing your place in each. It reduces the hassle of navigating away from the original tab and keeps your workflow seamless.